Very important question, HOD type of a question. Okay, now we are having fx is equal to sine 3x minus cos 3x. We have to go for the strictly and decreasing functions. Now f derivative x differentiating with respect to x, f derivative x is equal to, now sin 3x derivative will be cos 3x with 3 plus sin 3x with 3. Okay, so it becomes now f derivative x is equal to 3 with cos 3x plus sin 3x. Now we have to convert sine and cos in a simple function. We can have number of steps, number of ways to solve it. You could have written that cos 3x plus sin 3x is equal to 0, cos 3x sin 3x is equal to minus cos x, then tan 3x is equal to minus 1. You could have gone like that also, okay, but I am moving with the simple steps. Now f derivative x is equal to 3, now multiplying and dividing by root 2. Okay, so we are having root 2 with sin 3x into 1 upon root 2 plus cos 3x into 1 upon root 2. Now what I have done, I have just taken this term in the front, okay, or this we can write it 3 root 2 is equal to sin 3x with cos pi by 4 plus cos 3x with sin pi by 4. Now sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is what? Formula for sin A plus B. Sin 3x plus pi by 4. Now we have got one single term, that is one single ratio for this. Now for critical value, f derivative x is equal to 0. Now what we can write it? 3 root 2 sin 3x plus pi by 4 is equal to 0, or sin 3x plus pi by 4 is equal to 0. Now for here, up to here we have gone it. Now we have to find strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Now for strictly increasing, now what are the conditions for strictly increasing? That f derivative x is greater than 0. Okay, so now we are having case 1. Case 1 we are having sin 3x plus pi by 4 is greater than 0. Now when it is greater than 0, now what we can write it? They have given us the interval 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4. So we can write it now 0 is less than 3x plus pi by 4 is less than pi. Here we can put this value here. Now let's check it what we are getting. Now what we want exactly, basically we want in the center we want only x comparing with that one. Okay, so now for this part, now first of all we are just deleting pi by 4. Okay, so we 0 minus pi by 4, 0 minus pi by 4, but x should not be less than pi by 4, so 0, so I am writing 0 only here. So 0 is less than 3x is less than pi minus pi by 4. That is 0 is less than 3x is less than 3 pi by 4. Multiplying by 3, we are getting 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4. Now this is the first interval for the increasing part. Okay, now case 2, f derivative x is greater than 0 or sine. We are having here sine 3x plus pi by 4 is greater than 0. Now case 1 was when it lies in between 0 and pi. 0 and pi, first and the second quadrant, sign is always positive. Okay. Now what case 2 shows us? Sorry. Now case 2 shows us when x lies in between 2 pi and 3 pi. Okay. Between 2 pi and 3 pi, then we are having now 2 pi is less than 3x plus pi by 4 is less than 3 pi. Okay. Now we are having 2 pi minus pi by 4 is less than 3x is less than 3 pi minus pi by 4, and this becomes now 8 pi minus pi is 7 pi by 4. So we are having 7 pi by 4 is less than 3x is less than 11 pi by 4. And finally we are having 7 pi by 12 is less than x is less than 11 pi by 12 second. Okay, we are having two things now. Now we can write it. Function is strictly increasing on, now strictly increasing, it is strictly increasing on 0 to pi by 4, 0 comma pi by 4 and 7 pi by 12 comma 11 pi by 12, like this one. Okay. Or you can mention 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4 and 7 pi by 12 is less than x is less than 11 pi by 12, like this. So this is one answer, one of the answer. Now for strictly decreasing, this was for strictly increasing, now for strictly decreasing. For strictly decreasing, f derivative x is less than 0. Okay, so what we are having now, we are having sine, it was sine 3x plus pi by 4 is less than 0. Now case 1, case 1 here, when sine is less than 0 in the third and the fourth quadrant. Okay, so we will be writing pi is less than 3x plus pi by 4 is less than 2 pi. That is case 1. Okay, now on solving, what we are getting? First of all, removing pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 is what? Pi minus pi by 4 is less than 3x is less than 2 pi minus pi by 4. So pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4 is less than 3x is less than now 7 pi by 4. or this becomes pi by 4 is less than x is less than, multiplying we have to divide it by 3, sorry, so pi by 12. Pi by 12, 3 pi by 12 is less than x is less than 7 pi by 12. I am just taking the denominator same. Okay. Now case 2. Now here, now in the case 2 we are having 3 pi is less than 3x plus pi by 4 is less than now 3 pi and 4 pi. Okay, so what we are having now, 3 pi minus pi by 4 is less than 3x is less than 4 pi minus pi by 4. This becomes 11 pi by 4 is less than 3x is less than 15 pi by 4, or we are having 11 pi by 12 is less than x is less than 15 pi by 12. So strictly decreasing function is strictly decreasing on, now strictly decreasing is on what? It can be 3 pi by 12 to 7 pi by 12 and 11 pi by 12 to 15 pi by 12, or we can write it 3 pi by 12 is less than x is less than 7 pi by 12 and 11 pi by 12 is less than x is less than 15 pi by 12. So a very important question, and we are having two answers for, we have gone for strictly increasing and for strictly